Hi guys, hope all of us are doing great. My name is Ernest and this is Ernest Sciences and Mathematics TV channel. Today we are going to look at element representation, and this particular concept is going to be very relevant for us, especially in trying to figure out what are some of the elements which we come across, especially in our discussions on the various concepts, especially in chemistry and physical, other areas of physical science. So in this case, I'm going to look at this specific notation that I've given on my right side of the board. And this is going to be the general notation that is going to be used for various elements in various topics. So this notation is going to be represented by an element symbol that is going to be generally denoted as X. So in any case, if we come across this one, of course, for a substitution, we can have an n of the elements being given in the periodic table as either carbon, gold, etc. So in this case, we are going to see that there's a characteristic way in which these elements symbols are written, whereby we have an A on the top left side and the Z on the lower left side of this specific symbol. So this element for A denotes the atomic number, which is the number, atomic mass, which is the number of protons and neutrons, which are of course nucleons, as we have discussed in some of our videos. Now the Z at this specific point is going to be the number of protons, which are going to be denoted as Z as given. For instance, we can give an example of carbon, which is going to have a Z for protons, so therefore having 6 protons, and therefore for the number of protons and neutrons. So the difference between this one and this one is going to give us the number of our neutrons. So in this particular case, therefore, we can be able to figure out that the difference between this one and this one is going to be 6, and that's going to be the number of neutrons present in this specific carbon of atom. So therefore, this is a general symbol that is going to give us this specific case. In some areas, we are going to note that the notation of this specific elements is going to display some unique characteristics for the atomic number and atomic mass and the atomic number. And we're going to have a specific name that we're going to use in reference with those specific elements. So in this case, we refer to a unique element that has got a specific atomic and mass number as a nuclide, and therefore we can define a nuclide as a nucleus of an atom that is characterized by the numbers, the atomic mass or the atomic weight and the atomic number values, or to an atom to which a nucleus belongs. So therefore this can be defined as a nuclide. So this particular term, we are going to come across it especially under the concept of radioactivity now, and a rather elaborate way, which of course is going to complement on our present or whatever we have discussed in this specific video. So I'd like to request guys kindly check us in YouTube and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Check in our description boxes for various videos and try to of course click on those links so that we can be able to learn more on similar topics such as the one that's under discussion. So that is it for now, guys. Bye, God bless you.